So yeah, hi beautiful people, welcome. This is the voice and the face of Derek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't already subscribed, please ensure to do just that. Hi people, good morning. That's the poolside bar we were last night. That's the pool. I guess this pool is for kids. That's a view of the gym. So I brought my own towel. I always do when I'm going to the gym. But then they chose to give me their own as well. So now I'm in the gym. So I just finished doing some treadmill and I'm here to do some cycling, 30 minutes of each. I've been able to cycle 30 plus minutes after using the treadmill for about 30 minutes as well. So that'll be all from today. It's almost 8 a.m. I left my room at 6:30 thereabouts. So this is the fitness center, that's the reception hall. There's a squash hall and lawn tennis hall, but I don't think I'll be chance to get there. And there's a view of the city from here. So my room is somewhere up there, but the netting is covering it. Otherwise, I'd have gotten something really cool to show you guys. Well, considering it's on my path back to my hotel room, that's the lawn tennis court over there. And then there's a table tennis court right here. This is the squash court. It's about 10:30, leaving the hotel by 11 and I'm set for departure. Hi beautiful people, so my stay in Abuja, precisely the Abuja Continental, is coming to an end. Not sadly, excitingly. I'll be returning back to Lagos this morning. I guess I'll see you all. Stay tuned for the rest of the trip. Bye for now. What are we doing? Drinking water, staying hydrated, and minding the business that pays us. That's our boss. So you can't fucking